Merry Christmas! Today we're looking at the Team Laegendary Sonic. Now this is a 1/16 scale brushless monster truck. And it all comes in one box as always. Now the guys over at Laegendary have sent me this truck. I'm pretty excited about it, and it comes with 2 batteries. Don't forget as well, this is waterproof, which gives me an idea.
No, don't do it. It's so muddy and boggy in there. Full power, go.
Now what I want to say straight away, if you pick one of these trucks up, and if you have an issue, call Laegendary themselves. They are in the US. All the parts are on their website. Anyway, everything is in this box and it's really neatly packaged. I can't wait to get inside this thing and have a look at it.
That is fast.
This is probably one of the most exciting parts of this job. Get a new RC card. I mean, straight away, there is the truck. And look at that, it's got a wheelie bar right at the back there. Got the transmitter in this box here. Got an instruction manual. And inside that, you've got the exploded diagram views and parts lists for this truck. Remember, you can get all the parts you need from legendary.com.
No way is he going to get through this puddle. No way. Oh my God. Let's get a close up on this. Full power. No way.
There's a little warranty card. And this also allows you to claim 100 free pins with every purchase. Wow. I think this company obviously has quite a good support team because they give you this card and it says if you've got an issue, just give them a call. Oh, and a goodie bag as well. Nice little transmitter. You've got high and low speed settings on the top of this, so you can speed it up and slow it down if you need to. Just takes the 3 AA batteries at the bottom. You've got an on-off switch on the top. It's raining RC parts. You've got a Laegendary strap, the second battery. Now you get 2 of these. They're both 1000 milliamp and they're 2-cell lipo, so you can recharge them via the USB that comes with it, and that'll take about 45 minutes, and you should get about 15 minutes per pack in the truck.
Fast, isn't it?
Ooh. There's a wheel wrench and some body pins and a charging block. Now this is the US charging block because this truck is currently only available in the US. Get rid of that. Now looking at the truck, now this has got some weight to it, it's got some substance. I'm loving the body shell on this. The black and the silver and the yellow, they look really nice together.
Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
The truck itself has oil-filled shocks and foam-filled tyres, which is a nice upgrade. There's even metal dog bones going through to the wheels to drive the 4-wheel drive system. There's a front and a rear differential. And of course, as I mentioned before, that massive wheelie bar at the back. This is what the underneath of the truck looks like. Really simple, nice and neat design. Let's bring you in close so we can look inside this truck.
It's time for some mud bogging. Oh! Oh, let's try it from a different angle. Come on, you can do it! You can make it! Oh!
So you've got one of the batteries is already in the truck there. You can see on this side of the truck is the electronic side. The green object is the motor. Now, that's a brushless motor and it's massive for this truck, and that's driving the four-wheel drive system. Now moving slightly further forward, you can see just there, that is the ESC and radio all built into one unit. And you can see there's a wire coming out of that to the front, and that powers a light kit. Now I've also noticed you've got these metal gold coloured shock caps on the top of the shocks. Now slightly further forward, you can see the little steering servo sitting in there. That's a 2.2 kilogram steering servo with a servo saver attached to it. Get ready for the lights. Oh yeah. Nice and shiny.
This is deep. I don't think it's going to make this. What the? Wow!
Oh, he's stuck in the mud. Oh, man down!
To say I'd be impressed with this truck would be a huge understatement. Puddle smash! Oh, lipo cuts out! Oh no!
So guys, what did you think to the Sonic truck? Personally, I thought it was really good. Now, if you're interested in one of these awesome little trucks, have a look right down below in the description box. You'll see the link to Laegendary.com. You'll also see the link to the Amazon selling page for this particular model. Remember, this is an American brand. Right, I'm going to go and claim my free body pin. See you later.